How many of you threw something in the trash today that could have been recyclable? Or left the lights on in an empty room? Most of us do these things without even thinking. But what if I told you that by changing just a few small habits, you could significantly reduce your carbon footprint and help protect the environment for future generations? The truth is, our decisions every day matter more than we think. The Earth is increasingly stressed. According to the United Nations Environment Program, about 300 million tons of plastic waste are produced each year by humans, of which some 60% end up polluting land and waterways. The Environmental Protection Agency, or the EPA, informs us that the average American uses about 100 gallons of water a day, most of which is wasted. And the Department of Energy states that 25% of our electricity goes to devices left unplugged um, or, and not in use, a term that is deemed phantom energy. These may seem like minor problems, but together they contribute to serious environmental consequences, including climate change, habitat destruction, and resource depletion. The good news is that you don't have to be a full-time environmental activist to make a difference. Small, practical actions can have a large collective impact. By the end of this discussion, I hope to instill three easy, environmental friendly habits into your daily actions. First would be to use a reusable water bottle rather than buying disposable plastic ones. Second, unplug electronic devices such as chargers and your laptop when not in use. And third, try to eat less meat at least once per week. All of these are easy to do with very little cost and are well supported by research. For example, according to the Harvard University Sustainability Office, using a reusable bottle can save an estimated 167 plastic bottles per person each year. The Natural Resource Defense Council states that unplugging devices when not in use can save your household up to 10% of energy use. And finally, studies done by the University of Oxford report that eating less meat for even one day a week can significantly cut down water use and greenhouse gas emissions. Imagine the difference it would make if every student on campus started carrying reusable water bottles. That's thousands of bottles that wouldn't end up in landfills every semester. Picture your electricity bill going down simply because you unplugged a few items before heading to class. And consider the environmental benefit. If just 50 of us here skipped one meat-based meal each week, it would be the equivalent of planting over 1,000 trees in terms of environmental impact. These are not far-fetched dreams. They are real, tangible results that we can achieve if we commit to small changes. So starting today, I challenge you to act. Pick one of these three habits and make it, or at least one of these three habits, and make it part of your daily routine. Bring a reusable bottle to school, unplug your electronics when you don't need them, and try eating vegetarian once a week. You don't have to be perfect or do everything at once. What matters is that you start. Together, our small efforts can become a powerful movement toward a healthier planet. Thank you.